bridge. Holy crap, look at the waves. I swear I saw a fish jump. Look at the waves. It's mostly like right here where you're not looking, where you can't see. Look at the waves onto it. This is a river. It's just a beautiful, this is the Red River. This thing flows through Canada all the way to Florida. Missouri. If anybody's been to Mississippi, this is the Red River. This is the river that feeds you. Just know, Mississippi, when I pee off this bridge at midnight tomorrow, you will drink my pee in 17 years. Hey? How you doing? Get some. Oh, there's actually somebody on the bridge there. Not sure if they're working or if they're just standing still. Call that a century. We got a new pathway. We're putting in a new pathway here, it looks like. Coming down. There's quite the incline on this pathway. I'm not exactly sure about this pathway, but we're gonna see how she's doing. Last time we filmed over here by this screen, there was a dude, he did not like that. So we're gonna make sure we zoom in on his face today. I'm gonna zoom in as close to his face as we can. Over here, we got aqua jets going. Look at the engines on this. Look at the turbines. I don't even know what that is. Diesel fuel and some kind of aqua jet. It's a liquid jet, actually. And then you got 3 generators right there, ready to go. Actually, and then welding. No, those are welders. Those aren't generators. He's got his own weld. That's the guy from last week we had on the show who was down there welding something. Boom, boom, boom. Another boom, boom, boom. Walk through this tall grass. There's actually sand here. I don't know why, but get on this bike path and go visit a buddy next week. I don't even know if he still lives there. Just gonna go find out. I don't have his phone number. Let's see if what he's up to. Got the cops on patrol. Oh, smokes. What the hell was that, eh? Caught that on a live stream. That dude was going too fast and the other dude was just trying to bike to work. That's why you gotta just slow down, people. You gotta just slow down.